It may take an old dog and put me out of business, but in the meantime, we're gonna do a little bit of a test. So here we are today in Grand Rapids, Michigan at our studio. And Matt, in his wisdom, has decided that he wants to put me up against AI, which scares me just a tad. I've seen a lot of movies and I think AI is probably gonna come up with some pretty good things.
On a lot that overlooks some rolling hills.
No size constraints.
No size constraints.
Well, that's not easy. But we know that we're gonna wanna start with something that has an incredible view. You did say contemporary, did you not?
I did.
And we're gonna have to separate public from private. So I'm gonna keep it fairly simple. Maybe an asymmetric door, massive great room with corner glass to look over the hills. Private suite would be over here with an incredible master suite, closet, bathroom, and a hallway. And how much time do I have for this? Well, I got a lot to do. I'm designing a whole house. This is insane. What are you thinking? Well, anyway, so let's see. So this is gonna be my great stair, because I'm gonna go up to some bedrooms, because with the hills view, I wanna go up to a second floor and have the ability to take advantage of that. So this is going to be kitchen, dining, living. We'll have dining in the front here off the foyer. Fabulous entertainment kitchen here. Big island, huge pantry, back of house laundry, and then there will be at least a 4-car garage, and it's gonna be extra deep because we all drive pickup trucks in Houston. So this is gonna be 26 feet deep for my extra long pickup trucks, and then my Porsche, and maybe my Bronco here for my kid. Then there'll be a wonderful outdoor living space here. Now in Texas, we often make outdoor kitchens freestanding pavilions. So I'm gonna give them a really cool outdoor kitchen, grilling table out here, and then there's gonna be an incredible pool, which might wrap the corner here, all working towards the view. All right, I'm going as fast as I can. I'm not gonna get to the second floor as fast as that, so my elevation's gonna have to be stair tower going up. Front of the house. All right, so this is gonna be glass. This is my dining room. I'm going up to the second floor here, which is gonna carry across this piece here. This massive front entrance with big glass, the big asymmetric door I talked about. Now, if I just spent a couple of minutes on this, I could make it look a little bit nicer for you. But I don't want to take more time than the AI is going to be able to do, because that would just be wrong. Bedrooms. All right, given my time frame, I will stop, even though I really want to do a little more.
All right, from Zach first.
Well, it's a cool house. I don't see rolling hills. I see a wooded lot in maybe Virginia. There's not 3 bedrooms. They have more living space than they know what to do with, and there's no garage in the house. And it's interesting, but it looks like their notes are in hieroglyphics. Maybe that's intentional. So yeah, this really doesn't fit the client. They did get a perspective that was done in color, which is faster than me. But the floor plan is definitely not great.
Could you take that to a builder?
No.
What would you have?
Well, you could take it to a builder and say, here's the general direction I'm going, but there's so many unanswered questions. Okay. Yeah, I mean, not yet. Not to mention, it doesn't look like what the program was to me, but again, there's not a lot of detail in that program.